Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am here to share my finished Christmas journal. This is a design team project for Tsunami Rose, and I just completed it, so I'm excited. It's a little chunky but not as humongous, which is good. I managed to not stuff it so much where nothing else fits. But I love the feel to it. It's got a lot of different lace. And then it has an old quilt, which when I showed it the last time, I said I pretty much covered the whole thing, but as you can see, there's a quilt. And that's an old vintage quilt that was gifted to me. And yeah, let's go inside and check it out, guys. It looks like a little purse. But let's check it out. So the closure's just a little button. And let's go in. Make sure I'm in frame. So here we go. This is I think it's called, the kit is called Pink Christmas, I think, from Tsunami Rose, and it's a huge kit. It's got a lot of ephemera. I mean, I still have a lot left over, and I didn't print the whole thing. Hold on, let me take a quick sip. Okay, sorry. So yeah, it's a huge kit. It's beautiful. It's fun. I went ahead and added some items from another kit, and that is from Tailor Made Journals, and that's these little peoples here. I thought it went well with it, and so I added a few of those, and that's also another large kit. So I'll try to find the link and share it. But Tsunami Rose, she's in tsunamirose.net. So I don't know if I could share I'll figure it out. I'll see. If not, I'll put tsunamirose.net if you guys are interested in the journal. I mean, in the kit. Anyways, let's get started. So here I just have a side pocket. I have one of my little snippets there, and then on the front page I just have this large piece, and this is also everything's pretty much from Tsunami Rose. These are the large elements, so that just pops in there. And then here I just added a little envelope, and it opens, and you got Santa right there in a sleigh or a car, I don't know, but some toys. And then on the inside, I forgot to put okay, I had added this piece of paper, of coffee dyed paper, just for journaling space. And I was supposed to add some cards here, and it looks like I didn't. So we will leave that out so I can remember to do that. And then on this side, I have this this dude there. I guess it's St. Nicholas. And then these are all pieces of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And these are the same ones as here. I just shrunk them down. So I printed some large and some short, just so I could tuck them. Okay, my son's texting me. I'll talk to him later. Anyway, so yeah, I used him as a tuck. And then on this side, we have a cute little girl there. And then we just have a little pocket there. And these are the pieces of ephemera that are in here. These are also from Tsunami Rose, which also I just realized I didn't tuck anything in here, but this is like a belly band. And I didn't put anything in there. But yeah. What else? Oh, and I think the words also came in the DigiKit, which I shrunk them down. But let me show you real quick. I mean, she has all kinds of stuff in this kit. A lot of ephemera. Like I said, I have so much left over. But see, these are the elements. I think there's 3 pages, which I shrunk them down. This is the only one I printed out in a large print. And I didn't use it. But yeah, those come with the kit as well. A lot of fun stuff in there. And here you got some paper for journaling. On this side, I guess I went ahead and added, this St. Nicholas guy again, so you could have have some space for journaling, and he's just there decorating your pocket. I did add a little bit of lace throughout. I tried to find some small lace so that it wouldn't, you know, give it too much bulk. Here I have a doily, and I just did a little bit of collaging on there. I used my Stainz on the doily and just did a bunch of layering, and then added that little angel there. On this side I have a bell, and it says a Merry Christmas, and then I just put the word ornament there. And then here we have a little pocket. It says mistletoe, and then you have, these are postcards also that came with the kit. And you got these two pieces, so those just pop in there. Again, some more writing paper. So yeah, there's a lot of writing space in this journal, so I was proud of myself for that. Here I just grabbed a piece of scrap and glued this little vehicle there that I had cut up, and just stitched it there to make it seem that it's holding by the thread. And then here, another cute little girl, which I did when I was gluing it. I did get the page a little dirty there. I don't know if you guys could see that. I didn't like that, but can't do nothing about that, huh? Awesome page for journaling. Got the lines there. Here, there's another little corner pocket, and there's that beautiful paper from the kit. Little puppy. So I just added this Noel guy there. And then these are the pieces of ephemera that are in the kit. In the pocket. Oh, she also gives you library cards. Those are cute too. Again, more paper for journaling. Look at this paper. I like it. It's so pretty. Here I just grabbed a piece of fabric, and I just went ahead and added some lace, and then added this little piece here from Tailor Made Journals, and just added a little label there, and I just sewed around it, and I was going to use it as just like a little flip, I guess, but I ended up just gluing it down to create a tuck. And then in here, look at that cat, so cute. So just to hold these pieces of ephemera, and these are, well, except for this one, I think this is from my Porch Friends. Yeah, that's not from the kit. Again, a cute little light pink trim there. Whoops. Another beautiful page. You got Bambi there. At least I think that's Bambi. Or Rudolph. It doesn't have a red nose though. Looks more like Bambi. Okay, look at that little birdie there. Here I have another pocket, and in the front it's holding these pieces of ephemera. Look at the little girl kissing her doll. So cute. And then on the back over here, we just have a little tag that I made, and I think this image came from Artie Mays. So, and then here we got these two pieces that came with the kit. It also came with file folders, and I just realized I didn't use any of those. Huh. Here I just layered some paper, some lace, and then added that angel. A little bit of stitching there, just for fun. Here I have one of the cards that came with the kit. Again, I layered paper on the back, and just did a little snippet there of different fabrics and lace. Added some cheesecloth, a little flower. This was, I have to admit, a little challenging because, you know, I don't really do Christmas. Like, really don't. And especially not pink. So that was a kind of challenge. Like, you know, it's usually the traditional greens, reds, and to add pink, that was a little bit of a challenge for me. But it was fun. Got me out of my comfort zone there for a while. Here I have another side tuck. Here's a little tag I made with also one of the pieces of ephemera that came with the kit. And you got Santa Claus there. And then you have this little journaling card. So they just pop back there. And then this is open, so you have another tuck there. And here you have a journaling card. Again, space for journaling. And I like how she did this in a like a light background where you can still journal and it just decorates the page. Looks really cute. Love that one. Love the kitty. Here again, I added Noel here with two children. Here's just a little pocket I made out of an envelope, and I opened it on the side here, so you have a little journaling card in there. I can pop it back in. And then on the back, I made a little tag. This was one of the cards. I just cut her out, layered some paper, and just, oh, I didn't back that one either, man. So we will pop you over there. You gotta have some space for journaling. But yeah, I like how that turned out. Here, you got a Santa Claus and a little girl. Here is the other side of that doily. And this again is a piece from Tailor-Made Journals. Why does it keep leaving my head? And I just did a bunch of layering and I went crazy with my sewing machine, as you could see. And I wanted to use the dark brown thread just so I could pop out more the stitches. And I did that to a bunch of the little pieces. I just thought it went well with it. Here's just a little, I guess, booklet. So you have the pockets, little tags here, just for extra space and journaling. You got Santa Claus right there, checking his book where he has all the list of the good kids and the bad kids. And then here again, another card that came with the kit. And then it opens, so you have space for journaling. So that just goes around the page here. Sure I don't mess up the paper. Here I just added that little piece there. Thought that was cute. Little girl in there. Again, space for journaling and some more of this pink trim there. On this side I just have a paper clip holding a postcard that came with the kit. And this is a piece also that came with the kit. I just added it to this is a book page tag. Did a bunch of layering. And I think on this one I did add a little bit of my stains just to darken it more. I just like vintagey stuff, old vintagey stuff. Here I just added a bunch of ephemera. See, these are the cute little tags that come with the kit as well. So yeah, there's a lot to play with this kit. She really stuffed it. Gives you a lot of options. Here I have a couple of little girls there. I just did a bunch of collaging there, added some lace. And then you have these pieces of ephemera. Really pretty. Here again we have Noel bringing them toys for the babies. Here's a little tag that I did. Somebody a while back gifted me, hold on, I don't want it to get stuck, gifted me these little tags made out of burlap. So I just stitched around it, added some lace, and added that cute little girl, and put the word presents. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. So I just popped it here with a paper clip so she can decorate the pocket, I mean the page. And on this side, so it wouldn't look empty, I added a little journaling card that came with the kit. And there's the other page of that cute kit. Here again, we have a front little pocket with a bunch of bits and pieces from the kit. A cute little tag with Santa Claus painting a house. And then on the back, another little tag I made. And these two pieces of ephemera. A little Christmas tree there. Here's another doily. I added this, I think this came from my porch prints. It's not Christmassy, but I thought, you know, it's pink, it goes with it. So I just added that cute little girl there, and on her gift it says, Merry Christmas. A little bow, and just did a bunch of layering. I got some cheesecloth, some lace going in the background, and then that little flower. So that was fun. And then here I just added this piece that came with the kit as well. Just backed it onto some burlap, added a little bit of lace. Again, space for journaling. Here's some little bit of lace. And again, I glued down image. And then here we have another little book page pocket, and it's holding these pieces of ephemera. And these are all from the kit. So yeah, there's a lot to play with, guys. And then there's one of the little girls, just added some buttons, little flower there. So this is my last page, guys, and then here's my back pocket. Just did a little bit of collaging there, and just added that little girl. And then inside, I paper clipped them because I just had them like that. Not supposed to have a paper clip. But I have one of these large elements, layaway tag, just for extra journaling space, and another cute little tag I made. And I just had them together so I wouldn't misplace them, and yeah, it could just go with the paper clip. But yeah, this is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it came out a little chunky, but not too bad. And I love the feel with the quilt, and then all this lace, you know, going all around it. It was fun. So it will be listed on my Etsy as soon as I get a chance. And what else did I want to say? Oh wait, I forgot. I need to put these in there still. I will take care of that. But I was gonna say something. What was I gonna say? Okay, I guess it wasn't important, huh? But okay, so that's the journal. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, it'll be posted on my Etsy. Thank you so much. You guys have a good rest of the day, and I will speak to you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.